ruling handed down about whether or not the state attorney's office 4th Judicial Circuit will stay on a very high-profile murder case of Jared Bridegan. His ex-wife, Shanna Gardner, and her second husband, Mario Fernandez, are facing first-degree murder charges and conspiracy to commit murder charges in Bridegan's death. Police have described this all as a murder-for-hire plot. And for the last 6 months, the prosecution and defense have sparred over allegations of violations of attorney-client privilege. But now the judge has decided how this case is going to move forward, and Katie Jeffries has been following this case very, very closely, was in court this morning for everything, joining us live with the court for more. Hello, Katie.
Prosecutors will be staying on this case, but they will be losing a key piece of evidence. Judge London Kite opened by saying the weight of this decision was not lost on her. To remove prosecutors from a case is a drastic step, but also attorney-client privilege is a bedrock of our legal system. So Judge Kite decided that the state attorney's office 4th Judicial Circuit will stay on the case. Also, the two documents in question that Mario Fernandez's defense said were privileged and the state attorney's office said were fair game. One appeared to be a timeline, and Judge Kite says she reviewed it, and it does appear to be privileged. The other is a messages between Fernandez and Henry Tennant, who has already pleaded guilty to firing the shots that killed Bridegan. Judge Kite said those were not privileged, but because of poor judgment decisions from the prosecution, those text messages will be suppressed.
The text messages, because of the substantial violation of the discovery agreement, this court will suppress that as well. So you will not be able to use against Mr. Fernandez a document that you got in violation of the agreement that you entered into with the defense.
Well, prosecutors had previously said that document with the text messages was their only way of showing what the deleted messages between Tennant and Fernandez said. So that is a blow to the prosecution. Now they will only be able to show that there were text messages deleted. They will not be able to show a jury what those text messages said. Now, Judge Kite also did deny Gardner's motion for a dismissal and denied the motion to suppress her iMessages. The next issue to be sorted out in this will be a motion for a bond, which Shanna Gardner's team has been pushing for throughout quite a few of these hearings. So that is going to be happening on Wednesday afternoon here at the Duval County Courthouse. And moving forward, the judge says there will be case management hearings in this to make sure that attorney-client privileged materials are being handled responsibly. Reporting at the Duval County Courthouse, Katie Jeffries, First Coast News, on your side.